The next 3 days will feature some chances of showers and storms here in the state of Michigan. Let's go ahead and break this down day by day and go over what you guys should be worried about and what you guys shouldn't be worried about. So, starting with today, we do have a severe risk that is displaced off to our west across Wisconsin, Illinois. It does brush into Lake Michigan, and it actually does brush into Berrien County, way down here by Benton Harbor, those areas. So, there is a chance today, later on this evening, today's Monday, we're going to say after 7 or 8 p.m. Likely later than that, probably close to 9, 10, 11. We could see some showers and potential storms work their way across the lake up into the western part of Michigan that may be strong or severe. But right now, we're not really concerned for that. I'll show you guys why here in a second. And then tomorrow, the entire state is in a general thunderstorm risk. This is going to be for Tuesday. Some pop up showers and storms throughout the day are possible. Although severe weather is not expected, we could see one or two of those storms try to produce some downburst type of winds or maybe some small to large hail. Well, keep an eye on that. Right now, expectation is for tomorrow to be pretty subtle. But again, one or two severe storms is a possibility across the state. Not really one place has a higher risk than the other. It's just going to be a statewide type of pop up storm type of day. Then, last but not least, Wednesday as well, the entire state once again in a general thunderstorm risk. But Wednesday is a day we're going to watch closer. Let's go ahead and dive into the model and go day by day again. So, takeaway from that 3 days, some shower and storm potential for each day. Tuesday, Wednesday, statewide. Tonight being Monday on the west side of Michigan, also parts of the UP as well. All right. Now, looking at the model, starting with tonight for Monday, we're going to watch these storms off into Wisconsin develop here. This is 2 p.m. today. We're going to see these storms develop. The UP might begin some action here by like 4 or so p.m. today. But look what's going to happen across Wisconsin there. Some storms that look pretty nasty fire up there. That's why they have that risk displaced all the way over here in Wisconsin. So those storms look pretty nasty as they fire up. But once they try to hit the Lake Michigan and cross it, they pretty much die out. This right here is 10 p.m. tonight. So upper Michigan, and also northern lower, northwestern lower to be exact, maybe getting some rain, potential storms there, but the severe weather doesn't really materialize on this model as much. So the takeaway from this, expect some showers tonight on the west side of Michigan, potential for some lightning and thunder. Severe risk at this point does appear low, but if any storm can survive the lake at that point, we're going to be more so concerned for it. We'll keep an eye on it. We're ready to go live here at Michigan Storm Chasers. We've got you guys covered regardless of what happens. All right. Now, fast forward into tomorrow. All right, into Tuesday afternoon. Here is Tuesday morning on the NAM3 model. Got some showers going on here in northern Michigan, but as we get into the afternoon hours, this model does show some pop-ups across Wisconsin again as that pushes across the lake, upper Michigan getting in on that, and then also lower Michigan as well. So takeaway from that is with the peak heating of the day, we're going to be looking at some showers and storm potential, but also a higher chance later on in the evening hours. Looking at the HRRR model as well for tomorrow, we have those same showers going on there in northern Michigan. It's roughly 2 p.m. on this model. Then we have some pop-ups there across the state. We have some little blips down here by Jackson, Ann Arbor, some blips up here by Mount Pleasant, and then also in the UP. And that's going to move up into the evening hours. So overall, some scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Now, Wednesday is that day I'm kind of watching closer because the system is slowing down more and more. That's going to allow more time or potential for more time for instability to build on Wednesday. We're seeing that on the NAM3 model, especially. Our confidence is low in overall evolution of this, so this is something we're going to watch at this point. But if this model verifies here, here's your surface instability to fuel those storms. All right, here is Wednesday. You see, this is your cold front swings back through Illinois, back up here through Lake Michigan, up through the UP. That's not across the state just yet, but as we get into the afternoon hours, instability rises and it peaks right here in eastern Michigan. Here, this is 3 p.m. Wednesday. We're seeing surface-based CAPE upwards of 1 to 2,000 joules, which is more than sufficient to provide a fuel for these storms to get off and going. Because of that, this model is actually showing some storms developing on Wednesday here. Here is your model for Wednesday. Here's Wednesday morning. You have some rain pushing through, but on that cold front, there are your showers and storms that develop and pop up and move into eastern Michigan here. Now, the environment here would support a low risk here for severe weather if this model verifies. So at this point, there is no risk per SPC, but the models are starting to trend in the direction that we may have to watch Eastern Michigan Wednesday afternoon and potential Wednesday evening if it slows down even further. Hazards at this point, not really sure just yet. Expect wind and hail as your primaries. I don't think there's going to be much in the way of a tornado risk with this, given low level shear is currently pretty weak, but that could change. We have 3 days to go. Just stay tuned to the forecast. Keep you guys updated. Overall, that is your 3-day outlook here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel, as 56% of you are not subscribed. So what are you guys doing? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like on the video. I'll see you guys next time here, potentially tonight, for severe weather coverage here in Western Michigan.